Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This time we are going to practice on how to learn writing a billing statement. What is billing statement? A billing statement is a monthly report that credit card companies issue to credit card holders showing their recent transactions, monthly minimum payment due, and other vital information. Mostly, billing statements are issued monthly at the end of each billing cycle. So what makes it different from the bank statement is that the bank statement is an visual summary of financial transactions occurring within a given period for each bank account held by a person or business with a financial institution. And first of all, as you all can see here, I try to write down the company information first, which is PGM Salomon Incorporated. And also, you can write down the address of the company, complete with the code. And at the left side of the header, it is good to put the logo, the bank logo. So there will be some points that you are going to put in this billing statement. The first one is invoice number. It is your invoice number. And then the second one is customer account. And the next one, you'll need to put down the customer identifiers. And the next, it is the final billing statement issued. After that, you need to also write down the billing period. Mostly the billing statement here is for monthly statement, so you need to update the billing statement every month based on your need. Here I write down the invoice number. It is critical information. For this case, you should not miswrite the number, the digit, in order for the validity. And the customer account is your customer name. You should make sure that you write down the name completely, and it should be the same with the name printed on your card, on your bank account. And the customer identifiers is a certain code owned by the bank. And the final billing statement issued here, you can write down the date and the month as well as the year. Yes, it is also important to put down the time, the accurate time. So it is like a report from the bank. So in case you are a customer of a bank, you can request a billing statement to the bank. Here you will need to ask a report about the nominal of the amount of the money this is the monthly billing total. It is also a critical digit. You should not miss type, and you can also mention the previous billing weekly total, and then you can sum the amount of the money. For the template, it's gonna be easier to check when you put a bar in the middle part in order to highlight the monthly billing statement summary. Yeah, this is the example of the highlight. So the billing that the bank has to pay, you can also put it inside a bar. With a billing statement, you are going to deal with many numbers, many digits. For this reason, it is important for you to pay attention to every single digit you write down on the statement. Yeah, it is dangerous that you let it mistype. And after the bar, there should be the terms and the wire transfer funds to. The billing statement here must have the information about the deadline of the payment, as well as to whom the billing statement is for. For example, this billing statement wire transfer funds to BGM Settlement Incorporated. With the location of the bank and also the EBA number. It is Pittsburgh and the number. Anyway, after this, you need to also put your account number here. Yeah, there's a lot of numbers here. And don't forget to mention the date as well. It should be the date when you write down the statement. For example, it is (10/8/2020). And for additional information, you can write down the BGM member relation and also BGM Mart settlement. It will be somehow functional for the audience of this statement. So there will be some context that you may need to put for further information. For example, is the BGM member relation. For the sake of banking and payment, you can contact the email or the phone number, or maybe both of them. So first, this is the email address, and then the second one is the phone number. Yes, this is the phone number. The next contact will be issued for billing line items. It is PGM Mart settlement. Yeah, I'm trying to write down or mention the email address as well as the phone number. Mr. Dean Soto. Alright. And the phone number also. So this is the company official email address and the phone number. You should not mention your personal email. So you must understand this one. And the last one, you can write down any other additional bit of information that may be helpful somehow. So this is the end of this section. I hope you enjoy the video and happy practicing.